is the basic design. The third quarter is exploring the chains block. And you can see right here, this is a basic sample of the chains block. It's where you have, those small squares and they're making these Irish chains and connecting in ways that create secondary designs. So here's an example of the block. I've got 4 of those 6-inch blocks. And then I'm going to show you, because we have so many awesome, cool tools that are in this third quarter. This is the rope and echo and heart, which are some of my favorite designs all combined on one template. I love the hearts and I think the ropes are amazing. So just to show you what that looks like, I went ahead and I filled in my little space with that additional ruler that's in there. So I'm showing you really quickly that I have the tools that we need. I have my feathered leaf. It comes in the complete package like this with multiple sizes, including the finial, which we will need. So you want to pull out the pieces that are part of this design. There's my bobbin. If your thread is on the top of your foot, let's let you see that a little bit more. So you can see right here, my thread's on the top. When I line it up to take the first stitch, line up right where you want your needle to go, needle down and needle up for the first stitch. And before you move anything, just pull this forward a little bit. Oh, it did not pick up my bobbin. One more try. Okay, here we go. Threads are engaged, so you can see here it's going to pull that thread right through the foot. Okay? Once I've got that, then it's a little easier to pick up that bobbin thread.